So here it is our data for the problem. Draw a regular hexagon having 40 mm side by general method, which is also known as universal method. So as per the given data, we will draw a horizontal line of 40 mm dimension and name the endpoints of that line by point A and point B. After that, we will mention the dimension of that line, which is 40 mm. Mark midpoint of line AB and name that point by point O. After that, from point B, we will draw a perpendicular line of any dimension. Now, set distance AB as a radius in the compass and take point B as a center, and we will draw an arc. Mark point P where arc intersect with the line which is passing through point B. Connect point A and point P with the help of line. Now, from point O, we will draw a perpendicular line of any dimension. Now, mark point 4 where midline intersect with the line AP, and mark point 6 where midline intersect with the arc AP. Mark point 5 at middle of point 4 and point 6, and mark point 7 at a same distance. As we want to draw a hexagon which is having 6 sides, so we will take point 6 as a center and draw a circle passing through point A and point B. Now set 40 mm distance as a radius in the compass and take point B as a center and draw an arc which will cut the circle and name that point by point C. Take point C as a center and draw an arc which will cut the circle and name that point by point D. Take point D as a center and draw an arc which will cut the circle and name that point by point E. Take point E as a center and draw an arc which will cut the circle and name that point by point F. With the help of scale, join point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F and point A to draw a regular hexagon. So we have drawn a regular hexagon having 40 mm side by using general method, which is also known as universal method. This is very simple method. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.